Welcome to Insurance Alerts broadcast. I'm Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us Mr. Chintan Mehta. He is CEO of Goldleaf Insurance Brokers. From him, we are going to talk about the wish list for the insurance industry, uh, especially as a broker, what he expects from the FM. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for having me on the show Vivek ji. Insurance Alerts is a very prestigious platform, reaching out to more than 140,000, 150,000 people on day-to-day basis. So it's a privilege to be on your show. So my honor.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Vivek ji.
Okay. My first question to you is, what is your expectation for the industry overall?
First of all, इस बजट से बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशन है because primarily two things overall from the budget. One is the government is visionary, futuristic, or they are ready to take bold steps. कहीं गलत होने पे भले retract किया, but government has taken very serious and bold steps. तो एक्सपेक्टेशन यही है कि फ्यूचरिस्टिक बजट होगा. दूसरा, देयर आर मल्टीपल स्टेट इलेक्शंस लूमिंग ऑन द कॉर्नर, सो उसके लिए भी इट हैज टू बी अ पीपल फ्रेंडली बजट. इकोनॉमी में एक बूस्टर डोज होना चाहिए. सो दैट वे आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ वेरी गुड बजट, पीपल फ्रेंडली बजट दिस ईयर. टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री, so I'm very positive कि ये government is very pro insurance. You can say it's a pro insurance because कुछ ऐसे steps लिए हैं जो शायद बहुत कम government insurance के लिए करते हैं, like pushing crop insurance or the health insurance or personal accident or life insurance, जो बहुत सारी projects है. तो overall very positive for insurance. So expecting के insurance sector के लिए भी ये government कुछ अच्छे initiatives लाएंगी. Looking another thing that government is supportive. दूसरा, even after 20 years of privatization, even today insurance in India is underpenetrated. So we need to take some serious and strong steps to bring more and more people under the safety net through various insurance plans. So in this upcoming budget, there are various areas where I expect government to take bold steps, either in terms of insurance reforms or GST reforms, which can encourage insurance buyers. दूसरा एक important इस वक्त ये हो जाता है कि हमने recently pandemic देखा है. So in this pandemic has given enough reasons for us to focus on individual as well as society's health and well-being. After government, I think insurance industry is the only industry who has shell out more than 14,000 odd crores in the COVID claims. So we cannot neglect this, and some heroic or some serious measures should be brought in. So first and foremost, what I expect is the rationalization of GST in insurance. In a broader spectrum, if we say it should be 5% from 18%, right? So expecting a lot. Let's see how it turns out.
What do you think government should do for increasing the penetration? Because as you only said, the penetration is very low. Right. Do you think something can be really or a separate budget should be allocated for increasing the penetration or publicity or something like that?
See, if we go sector wise, penetration increase करने का simplest form should be the micro insurance products or bite-sized products, which we call it. There it should be, I think, no GST at all, nil or lower GST. अगर आप सेक्टर वाइज पूछेंगे तो आई कैन गो सेक्टर वाइज की लाइफ में व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्ट और हेल्थ में व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्ट, बट इन ओवरऑल I think there has to be a rationalization of GST. As I mentioned, if I go sector wise,
Yeah.
so life insurance, a pure term plan is necessity, or you can say it's a need of an hour. So okay, you can have your normal GST in the endowment products or pension plans where the person gets benefit of his investments, while pure term plan which covers his life and his the well-being after the demise of the person, so that term plan should be either reduced GST or some separate tax benefit for more than 150,000, because in pandemic we have seen that there has been a lot of claims in life insurance, and life insurance premiums have increased. So keeping them in that 150,000 bracket, pure term plan should be kept out of it, and other saving products and all can be there in 150, but term plan के लिए एक अलग से प्रावधान होना चाहिए. So that is what I expect in pure term plans in life. अगर हम हेल्थ की बात करें, और जो सबसे बड़ा आज की डेट में जो इश्यू है, बिकॉज थर्ड वेव इज ऑन, वी नेवर नो, ओमिक्रॉन इज नॉट सीरियस बट वी नेवर नो, इट विल म्यूटेट, फोर्थ वेव आ सकता है, फिफ्थ वेव आ सकता है, एंड इट कुड बी डेंजरस आल्सो. So in health, I expect that ATD exemption for an individual, for his family, it is 25,000. जो 25,000 को it should be increased to 100,000, 1 लाख रुपए तक का exemption limit health में होना चाहिए. Where it will help is 25,000 is enough for securing a family of 4 up to 10 lakhs. क्रिटिकल इलनेस का जो पोर्शन है वो 25,000 में कवर नहीं हो पाता. तो अगर हम इसको रैशनल करके 1 लाख ले जाते हैं, तो पर्सन विल गो फॉर coverages like critical illness and all, which are a high premium ticket products, or it can help the investor in getting the tax benefits. Another big area is senior citizens. Senior citizen, a family of 2, if they are taking floater insurance, हमारा अभी लिमिट है 50,000, which should be increased to 100,000. So वो लोग भी critical illness जैसा product, या if they want a higher sum assured of 20, 25 lakhs or 50 lakhs, there they can go for it. So senior citizens, if they are paying on their own, वो 50,000 की जगह पे I expect it to be 100,000. Other thing is, why not exempt senior citizens from GST? तो सीनियर सिटीजन अगर अपना प्रीमियम खुद भर रहे हैं, अर्निंग सीनियर सिटीजन्स है, तो दे शुड बी अलाउड फ्रॉम GST एग्जेम्पशन. दूसरा एक एस्पेक्ट है कि देयर आर सम डिजीज स्पेसिफिक इंश्योरेंस. इंडिया इज, you can say, a leader into vector disease, malaria or mosquito related diseases. Malaria deaths are, I think, second after Africa in India. So vector disease hai, some cancer product, cancer specific products, or COVID. So this kind of products, जो micro भी हो, vector and all जो malaria related है, they are micro products. COVID is need of an hour, so COVID product, ये सब product को GST से exempt करना चाहिए. So the normal people or the people economically backward or below poverty line or near to poverty line people can afford this kind of products. दूसरा, health के साथ there are multiple companies who are offering wellness products. So wellness also, because of the premium and everything put together will go high, so their products also should get GST reduction. So this overall will encourage and incentivize health insurance buyers. So वो I think कि वहाँ होना चाहिए. And if we look at it, medical and allied services, वहाँ पे हम lower या nil GST लेते हैं. But in health insurance it is 18%. तो ये मेरा मानना है कि यहाँ जीएसटी रैशनलाइजेशन होना चाहिए.
चलो, great. So, but comes the last thing that everybody wants कि मुझे कुछ फायदा हो जाए. So, on personal front, what you are looking at?
On personal front, I think it will be selfish to think. As an industry, there are a couple of things. Personal assets में मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि दो चीज है पर्सनल एसेट्स में, not personal as an individual, but personal assets. If we see, government is promoting electric vehicle like anything. If you buy electric car today, you will get tax subsidies and all. But for the same electric vehicle, their insurance premium, you are charged GST at 18%, right? So if we are really serious in promoting electric vehicle, so we should, keeping climate change and reduced carbon footprint in mind, then we should encourage premium also to be reduced in terms of GST. So GST reduction in electrical vehicles is one thing. दूसरा एक है कि इंडिया ने बहुत हद तक होम इंश्योरेंस निग्लेक्ट किया है. तो होम इंश्योरेंस शुड बी प्रमोटेड, एनकरेज्ड, और वहां भी होम इंश्योरेंस बायर के लिए कुछ टैक्स एग्जम्पशन होना चाहिए, बिकॉज उसके होम लोन के ऊपर हम उसको टैक्स एग्जम्प्ट कर रहे हैं. बट इफ ही वांट्स टू इंश्योर हिज हाउस, देयर इज नो मोटिवेशन, देयर इज नो इंसेंटिवाइजेशन. तो वहां भी मैं चाहता हूं, ये मेरी विश है कि वहां भी गवर्नमेंट कुछ सोचे.
Chalo, that's great. Let's hope government listens to us and we get at least some of the other benefit. कम से कम पूरा नहीं तो जितना मिला उतना ही अच्छा है.
Yes, there should be something. और गवर्नमेंट मतलब प्रो इंश्योरेंस है तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर वेरी हाई. लेट्स सी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर क्या करते हैं दिस टाइम. तो they are coming up early, little early than expect. Couple of hours early. Yeah.
You were telling something, हाँ?
Sorry?
नहीं, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
Yeah. So other thing is, if you allow me, at an organization level also there should be some compulsion to ensure group health, because at up to certain level of CTC we are insuring people under ESIC, but above the ESIC limits there is no compulsion for SME or any organization to insure them. So group health cover should be promoted, pushed, incentivized. Compulsory cargo insurance, because commercial cargo भी इंडिया में insured नहीं है. So to boost economy overall, there should be some bold step. Even mandatory establishment insurance. हम shop and establishment में we ensure that any shop or every shop gets registered with the government, gets proper licensing. But shop, restaurant and SMEs are mostly neglected and they are not insured. So which we have seen during the Mumbai floods. So उन सब से बचने के लिए भी there should be some incentivization for establishments to come under insurance. So overall, we can bring the comprehensive growth of the economy.
Okay, Chintan, thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
And hope the budget is as we all wished.
It should be. Looking at the upcoming elections, they should think about the people.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Chintan. Bye. Take care.